axle seal that may still be leaking. We're headed over to Brushy Mountain Penitentiary to meet up with the other folks for the Tennessee Ridge Monkeys ride tomorrow. It's like 85. No rain yet. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It probably will. It's supposed to. Gonna make the best of it. Either way. So, see you guys on the trail. Well, I think we're ending day one a little early here. Just came up 26 after a gully washer. Something's up with Zach's rig. It's won't engage four-wheel drive. I had to pull him one time to get up the ledge at 26 and follow him down to the parking lot. Otherwise, that's about it. I'm gonna go find some food, maybe a beer. We'll go up 15. That'll eliminate any overheating. It is starting to rain. We're gonna go hit 15 anyway, right out the parking lot. So see how it goes.
There you go. Oh, he was so close to that rock. So close. Whew. Got it. Yeah. Not sponsored by anybody. Definitely not a shock sponsor. It's funny though. I'm about to get up.
Twice, that is how the good days go. Mud on the fender, smoke on my boots, sun on the hood, and the straight truth. Roll it back home, dust in the seams, half a tank left and a pocket full of dreams. Roll it back home, nothing to prove, just tired and glad that it got me through. Clothes half empty by the gate, map folded up and worn, couple loose rocks in the bed of the truck, and he grinned from the day I earned. Tailgate down, heart worn thin.
You were so close to.
But I know this road like an old time friend.
They're gonna pull him out.
Roll it back home.
Look him up. Pour low right here.
Dust in the seams. Half a tank left and a pocket full of dreams. Roll it back home, nothing to prove, just tired and glad that it got me through. One more mile in the porch light glow, sleeves rolled up in the engine stall. Don't need much, just this and rest, a hard day done. Roll it back home, dust in the sun, half a tank left and a pocket full of dreams. Roll it back home, nothing to prove, just tired and glad that it got me through.
He's trying to make this side of the hood look like that side of the hood.
Yeah, I'm saying video of this is you talking about
Alright, getting ready to drop off the first little one about like that. Alright, driver. Come on. Get ready to drop in the rear. Get off the brake!
Let off the brake.
Oh, can you turn it hard? Good thing I think.
That's it. You get that call back, you know, it's just full work. That's how you usually go.
Whew. So, day 3, about to head back to South Carolina. Had a great weekend. Big shout out to Josh, Dave, Joey, Cody, Speed Hole, Just Weld and Fab. I can't remember all the people. I'll link them all somewhere. But yeah, epic weekend. Hoping to do it again soon. Love being on the trail with y'all. Have a good one.